Bigg Boss. The name itself sends a jolt of excitement through the hearts of millions. Every year, anticipation builds. Who will be the contestants? What drama will unfold? And of course, will Salman Khan be back? The answer, as always, is a resounding yes. Salman Khan is Bigg Boss. Bigg Boss is Salman Khan. They are two sides of the same coin. The megastar returned for his 15th season, his charisma undimmed. His weekend Kavar episodes are legendary. He scolds, he praises, he teases, and the audience laps it all up. This season promised to be different, bigger, bolder. The stage was set for a showdown like no other. The tagline said it all: Time Ka Tandav. What did it mean? How would time play a role in the lives of the contestants? One thing was certain: it was going to be a wild ride. Time Ka Tandav. The theme echoed throughout the season. Bigg Boss, the all-seeing, all-knowing entity, toyed with time. He forced the contestants to confront their past, he made them question their present, and he left them wondering about their future. The housemates found themselves on a roller coaster. There were moments of nostalgia as they revisited past relationships and decisions. There were moments of introspection as they analyzed their current actions and motivations. And there were moments of anxiety as they contemplated the consequences of their choices. Time became both a friend and an enemy. It healed old wounds but also opened new ones. It offered opportunities for redemption, but also for downfall. The Bigg Boss house is a character in itself. Every year the set designers outdo themselves. This season they created a space that was both imposing and intriguing. Imagine a timeless cave, its walls echoing with secrets. Now picture a formidable fort, standing strong against the onslaught of time. This was the Bigg Boss house. A fusion of the ancient and the modern. A massive Trojan horse structure greeted the contestants at the entrance. It was a reminder that appearances could be deceiving. Inside the house was a maze of 7 sections. There was the living area, where alliances were formed and broken. The kitchen, where gossip simmered along with the food. The dining and sitting area, where tense conversations unfolded. And of course the bedrooms, where secrets were whispered and tears were shed. But that's not all. A cave-like jail awaited those who broke the rules. A luxurious Turkish hammam-style bathroom offered a respite from the drama. And 108 cameras watched their every move, capturing every smile, every tear, every outburst. A motley crew of 23 contestants entered the Bigg Boss house. Actors, singers, influencers, politicians. They came from all walks of life. Each brought their own baggage, their own dreams, their own hunger for fame. There was Avinash Mishra, the television heartthrob, known for his charming smile and fiery temper. Chum Durang, the beauty queen turned actress, determined to prove that she was more than just a pretty face. Aisha Singh, the rising star, accused of buying her way into the show. Karanveer Mehra, the seasoned actor, ready to reclaim his lost glory. And Rajat Dalal, the comedian, hoping to tickle the nation's funny bone. From the moment they stepped inside, sparks flew, alliances were formed, rivalries ignited, love blossomed, hearts broke. It was a pressure cooker of emotions, and the audience couldn't get enough. Section 5. The game begins. Tasks, triumphs, and tribulations. The Bigg Boss house is not for the faint of heart. Every day brought new challenges. Tasks tested their physical and mental limits. Nominations exposed their insecurities and vulnerabilities. There were tasks that required them to confront their deepest fears. Tasks that forced them to work together despite their differences. Tasks that pushed them to the brink of their endurance. Through it all, they fought. They cried. They laughed. They learned. They discovered hidden strengths and confronted their weaknesses. Some rose to the occasion, while others crumbled under pressure. But one thing was certain: they were all changed by the experience. Section 6. When time twists unexpected turns and jailhouse rocks. Bigg Boss wouldn't be Bigg Boss without its signature twists. This season was no different. The top 2 predictions sent shockwaves through the house. Bigg Boss, in an unprecedented move, revealed his prediction for the top 2 finalists, Vivian Sina and Alice Kaushik. The prediction sparked both joy and jealousy. Alice was over the moon, her confidence soaring. Vivian, though pleased, remained cautious, but fate, as always, had other plans. Alice was evicted on day 49, proving that in the game of Bigg Boss, nothing is certain. Then there was the jail. More than just a punishment, it became a game changer. Contestants were sent to jail for various reasons, from breaking rules to losing tasks. But jail wasn't always a bad thing. Sometimes it came with special powers. The power to nominate fellow contestants, the power to overturn a decision, the power to influence the game. Section 7. The Karen-Vivian Clash, a Moment of Truth. Tensions ran high in the Big Boss house, arguments were inevitable. But few could have predicted the explosive clash between Karanveer Mehra and Vivian Saina. The incident occurred on January 18th, just a day before the finale. Karen, in a moment of insensitivity, made a remark about Vivian's daughter not recognizing him. The comment struck a nerve with Vivian, who lashed out at Karen. The house was divided. Some sided with Vivian, understanding his anger. Others felt Karen's comment was blown out of proportion. The situation escalated, with both contestants refusing to back down. It took the intervention of fellow housemates and Big Boss himself to calm things down. Karan eventually apologized, but the damage was done. The incident left a bitter taste in everyone's mouth. Section 8, and the finalists are the race to the finish line. As the days turned into weeks, and the weeks into months, the competition intensified. Evictions became more heartbreaking. Tasks became more grueling. Alliances were tested like never before. Finally, only 6 contestants remained: Avinash, Chum, Isha, Karan, Rajat, and Vivian. They had survived evictions, endured grueling tasks, and weathered countless storms. They had laughed, cried, fought, and grown. Now they stood on the cusp of victory. The finale was a night of high drama and emotion. Family members sent video messages, sharing their pride and love. Former contestants returned, reminiscing about their time in the house. The finalists, dressed in their finest, waited with bated breath as Salman Khan announced the winner. Section 9. Bigg Boss 18. A Season to Remember. Bigg Boss 18 was a season unlike any other. The Time Ka Tandav theme added a new layer of complexity to the game. The housemates were forced to confront their past, present, and future in ways they could never have imagined. The season had it all: drama, romance, comedy, and controversy. There were moments of intense emotion, like the Karan-Vivian clash, and moments of pure joy, like the contestants celebrating Diwali together. But most importantly, Bigg Boss 18 was a reminder that life is unpredictable. Time is a precious commodity, and we should cherish every moment. The contestants may have played the game for fame and fortune, but they walked away with something far more valuable: a newfound appreciation for the power of time.